Hi guys, welcome to our channel by Diaza. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to transform this plain rock candy into this glamorous rose pink ombre look. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. For this project, you only need 4 items. You're going to need your rock candy. I took this one out of the package already. Your rose gold airbrush paint, your edible leaf paper, and also a brush. You do not want to forget your brush. Okay guys, so let's begin. The first thing you need to do is take your rock candy and take it out of its individual packaging, like I am doing here. Once you get it out of the package, you want to go ahead and grab your rose gold airbrush paint and your brush, and you're only going to need about a drop while you sit there and paint your rock candy. As you can see here, I am now spreading the paint. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way, so you guys don't want to put too much paint on it because then it can become a mess really quickly. So make sure you guys are working with drops at a time and spread that paint as much as you can. Keep on spreading. As you guys can see also, I am trying to paint the lollipop all the way down to create that ombre effect once I start putting on the gold leaves. Work in sections also, it's very important. Just take your time doing this. It's a really easy project. You want to take your time spreading the paint, and also you don't want to waste product, so like I said, take your time. Even if you don't see paint on your brush, just keep on spreading. It gets the paint gets into the nooks and crannies of the lollipop, and it kind of becomes thick. So you want to go ahead and make sure you use all that paint up. Okay, once you're done painting, it should look something like this. You see that at the very bottom, it's starting to become lighter. And again, that's to give it that ombre look. Now you want to begin taking your gold leaf paper and just spreading it evenly on top of your lollipop. It's really hard to pick up with your fingers because since your fingers are warm, it tends to stick to your fingers. So I try to pick it up with the brush, or just pick it up by a little corner and place it on the lollipop. Make sure you guys are using like a tapping motion and not like kind of like a rubbing motion, because then your paper will break inside of the lollipop and it won't look as clean. I also like to take pieces of the edible gold leaf and work in tiny little sections. It's just a lot easier. Again guys, take your time with this project. This is one of those things that when you photograph, you want the details to really come out vividly, so you want to take your time with it. As you can see, I'm still using the tapping motions. Just tap. Keep on tapping until you get the desired look that you guys want to achieve. Okay, Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up placing the paper on my lollipop, and as soon as I'm done with that, you guys will see the next step. Right here, I'm giving you guys a close-up on how I kind of like accommodate the paper onto the lollipop. Again, tapping motions. Once you guys achieve the desired look that you guys would like, then you stop. If you guys want to go back and give it a few touch-ups, you guys definitely can. This is how I wanted mine to look. Since I think it looks a little bit too light for my liking, I went ahead and added a little bit more paint towards the bottom to give it more of that ombre effect. Again, keeping it really simple at the bottom and dragging the paint down. Hey guys, this is the final product. This is how my rock candy turned out to be. I am completely obsessed with this look. I think it looks so glamorous. Disclaimer guys, I tasted this. Although this is all edible, I suggest not to eat this because it does not taste good. It's really bitter. This is more for a decoration purpose, to give your party that extra glam look that it needs. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be coming out with a lot more DIYs for parties. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.